Modern science says that exercise has little to do with weight loss. In fact, 95% of the body shape has to do with the food that we eat. So, do you think you're eating healthy food? Well, let's check out yourself. Do you see any of these items in your kitchen? If yes, then let me take you through the nutritional value of these food products. But before that guys, if you like this video, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon because that will tell me that these videos are really adding value, and that in turn will motivate me to make more good stuff for you. Food items such as raw frozen meat, ready to eat meals, things such as frozen pizza, ready-made sauces, cake mixes, etc. Frozen food items have side effects as they contain hydrogenated palm oil that has harmful trans fat. Preservatives like starch, corn syrup, which is made up of glucose, are added to these food items. Also, the sodium content is much higher in these ready-to-eat meals. Now, if you don't know, high intake of sodium and salt is associated with high blood pressure, diabetes, cholesterol, etc. at a very young age. Breads, cookies, chips, noodles, pastas, and many other products labeled and marketed as healthy, such as Nutella, peanut butter, cheese, and baby food products. An Oxford University study found that packaged food and drinks made in India contain high levels of saturated fats, sugars, and salts, and are the unhealthiest in the world. Packaged food and drinks from India were ranked the least healthy in a global survey of 4 lakh products from 12 countries around the world by researchers from Oxford University's George Institute for Global Health. Hence, we must be very careful while buying packaged food which is labeled and marketed as healthy. Now, all of these packaged food items are processed items, which means that certain artificial ingredients have been added in these items to retain their flavor and texture for a longer period of time, such as sweeteners, spices, oils, colors, and preservatives. Now tell me this, अगर आपके किचन में या आपके फ्रिज में 4 दिन पहले बना हुआ दाल चावल या कुछ भी ऐसा खाना रखा है, would you feel comfortable eating that or feeding that to your family and kids? Probably no. If so, then how can you buy packaged food which was cooked and baked months ago? And to top it up, it has artificial food colors and preservatives. Energy drinks, health drinks, and fruit juices, they generally claim to make us stronger and healthier. Fruits are good, but fruit juices that we buy from the stores are not. They are filled with sugar and artificial flavors, and they only contain a small amount of the vitamins and minerals that we would otherwise get from a fruit. Big companies associate these drinks to our happiness, but the fact is that these drinks are associated to obesity and diabetes, not to forget diet soda. Big giants, in order to impress the new generation which is more health conscious, came up with a new variety of soda and started selling it as diet soda, means sugar-free. Whereas if you check the labels, you would know that diet soda actually contains more sugar than the normal soda. A study says that diet soda can really mess with our metabolism. It may alter our gut microbes which regulate our emotions and keep us healthy. WHO recommends keeping the daily intake of sugar below 25 grams, which means 6 teaspoons a day, whereas 1 can of a cola drink would take us much beyond that limit. 70% or more products that we buy on an average from a grocery store contain sugar. And as per modern science, sugar is not just bad for health, but it is as addictive as cocaine. Healthy eating is not as complicated as it is believed to be. Eating healthy simply means replacing all the processed food with the real food as much as possible. Eating food which is produced locally and in its most natural form can have a huge impact on the way we look, think, and the way we feel. So it's time for us to make some healthy changes to our dietary habits. Cooking our own meals gives us the control of what goes into our belly. As a result, we tend to eat fewer calories, avoid all the artificial colors and substances. If we decide to cut down on unhealthy food in our diet, it's essential to replace that with healthier options. Replacing trans fat to desi ghee, for example, would have a very positive effect on our health. We must be aware of what's in our food, as food manufacturers would often try to hide large amount of sugar or unhealthy fats by different names in the packaging by claiming it to be healthy. Water intake helps to flush out the waste products and toxins from the body. It also helps in maximizing our physical performance. So guys, eating healthy food does not mean that you need to deprive yourself of the food that you love. But it should certainly make you feel good, provide you with more energy, and it should certainly make you feel healthier and happier. So eat fresh and stay healthy.